Hey everyone, and welcome back. We love diving deep into the latest tech, and AI is always top in the charts, so that's what we're doing today.
You guys sent in some fascinating stuff this week, and one thing really stood out.
Yeah, a listener sent in this video link about Microsoft, and let's just say it got us pretty hyped about the future of data analysis.
Like, seriously, next level stuff, and you know how we're always saying AI is going to change everything? Well, this might be one of those moments where we can actually see that happening right before our eyes.
Okay, so no more teasing. Let's get into it. What's got you so excited over there?
All right, so Microsoft, right, they've been making big moves in AI for a while now, but this new model they're working on called GraphRAG, well, it could be a total game changer.
GraphRAG. Okay, that's a new one. Lay it on us.
So imagine this, they're claiming this thing can analyze data up to 9,900% faster than current methods.
Whoa, 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 hold on. 9,900%. I mean, come on, that's like saying you're going to bake a cake 99 times faster. It's going to be
Yeah.
some kind of exaggeration, right?
Well, okay, maybe they're playing up the numbers a little bit for the headlines, but even if it's half as good as they're saying, it's still a massive leap forward.
All right, I'm listening. But
Hmm.
how does it even work? Is it magic or something?
Not magic, but it's pretty close. So traditional AI, it's good at processing tons of data, but it often misses the bigger picture, the connections between things.
Okay, so like seeing the trees but missing the forest.
Exactly. And that's where GraphRAG comes in. It uses something called a knowledge graph. Think of it like a map, but instead of showing roads and cities, it maps out how different pieces of information relate to each other.
Oh, I'm starting to get it. So instead of just crunching numbers blindly, it actually understands the context.
Right, and that's what makes it so much faster and more efficient. It can cut through the noise and zero in on the most relevant insights almost instantly.
Okay, so speed and efficiency, that's all good. But how does this actually translate to the real world?
Yeah.
What can we actually do with this?
Oh man, the possibilities are endless. Think about healthcare, for example.
Oh, yeah. Healthcare is always a hot topic when it comes to AI, right?
Totally. So imagine doctors being able to diagnose diseases way earlier.
Like before any symptoms even show up.
Yeah, or personalized treatments based on your specific genetic makeup, or even predict potential health issues before they become serious problems.
Well, hold up. Are we talking like Minority Report level predictions here?
Maybe not that advanced just yet, but we're definitely moving in that direction. And it's not just healthcare finance could be revolutionized too. GraphReg could help identify investment opportunities, detect fraud, you name it.
Okay, so this all sounds amazing, like seriously mind-blowing. But let's get real for a second. There have got to be some limitations, right? I mean, no technology is perfect.
Of course, you're absolutely right. I mean, we're still in the early stages here, and there are definitely challenges to overcome.
Like, what are we talking about? Glitches, biases, things like that.
Well, for one thing, the accuracy of GraphRag depends heavily on the data it's trained on. If the data is biased or incomplete, the results will be too, and that can have serious consequences.
Right, garbage in, garbage out, as they say.
Exactly. And then there are the ethical implications, things like data privacy, job displacement. We need to make sure this technology is used responsibly and benefits everyone, not just a select few.
Yeah, those are some heavy questions for sure, but they're important ones to ask. It's like we're on the verge of this incredible new era, but we got to make sure we're steering the ship in the right direction.
Couldn't have said it better myself. We need to be mindful of the potential downsides, even as we get excited about all the good this technology can do.
Absolutely well said. And for those of you who are eager to learn more about the nitty-gritty of GraphRag, we'll be sure to include that video link and some other resources in the show notes.
It's definitely worth checking out. This is cutting edge stuff, and it gives us a glimpse into the future of AI and how it's going to reshape the world around us.
I think it's safe to say that things are about to get very interesting. But here's a question for you all out there. Think about your own lives, your work, your passions. What aspects do you think will be most impacted by this kind of AI advancement?
Yeah.
That's a good one to ponder.
Let us know your thoughts. We always love hearing from you. And in the meantime, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep diving deep with us because the future is waiting and it's going to be one heck of a ride.
See you next time.
See ya, Yago.